and more high-tech equipment deals with vacuum for all kinds of reasons. And when you deal with vacuum, everything changes. And that's why it is important to understand what it means to work on a vacuum system, in a vacuum system, at a vacuum system. My name is Sven Pekelder. I'm CTO of Settels. At Settels we build high-tech equipment and thus deal a lot with vacuum systems. So the typical vacuum systems that we deal with are used for deposition of all kinds of layers on displays, on solar cells, on semiconductor devices, imaging devices, for instance electron microscopes, spectrum analyzers, those kind of equipment that we help develop. So I first started to work on vacuum systems when I was involved in the development of EUV for ASML. That is the lithography for wafers using ultraviolet light, having to be exposed in a vacuum environment. Later on I worked on display deposition equipment, where in a vacuum system you deposit all kinds of functional layers on display devices. And that's how I got introduced to vacuum technology. The biggest fun for me of working on vacuum systems is that when you deal with a vacuum system, everything changes, and everything has to deal with the fact that you're working on a vacuum system. So you have to think about, what do I put in vacuum? Preferably nothing, but that's a challenge. What do you leave out? You have to deal with the thermal challenges, with the lubrication, with the deposition, the contamination, and all those kind of aspects make it very interesting to work on. So I work with high-tech systems, and a lot of those are vacuum systems in my everyday life as a CTO. I deal with understanding a client's requirements and transferring that to the design teams of what they need to do, which means a lot of interaction, helping people understand how to best balance all the different requirements in a vacuum system. And that's also what I do as part of the vacuum training, and that's what makes it fun for me to do, because it's making and helping people understand of what it entails to work on a vacuum system, and if I see them getting better at it, that's the biggest reward that I can have. So I'm looking forward to meet you in one of the next vacuum trainings.